Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this DIY denim stress corset. I actually used a McCall pattern that I talked about last week to make this, or guided through me making it, and I basically followed the rules to an extent. Use just one layer, so you're supposed to make at least two parts, one for the face and one for the back, and sew it together and flip it out. But this time I just made one because I wanted to like fray it, aka distress the material so it can have that cool effect. And basically this is how it came out, and I think it came out pretty cool and cute. I actually love the look that it gave me. Got the styling from Ashley Graham, one of her pictures that I saw on Instagram, where she had a bodycon dress and a corset with a nice with a I don't even know what it's called anymore, or like a throwover coat. I thought it was really cute. So basically, no further ado, let's get on to the video on how I make it, because it's a long video as it is. So let's just get to the video. So you're gonna need a pair of pants, pattern, weight, and scissors. So first off, you're going to start with the pants, and then you're going to lay the patterns on the pants. For me, I only took up one pants leg, and then if I wanted to do the facing and the back, it would take up two pants legs. So here is what it would look like if, like I said, I was doing a facing and the back, but I'm just doing one. So basically I just need only one per pattern. So I'm actually pinning together the center back and the two sides that are in the back. So it's a center piece and then two back side pieces. So now I'm going to be putting together the side piece and also the front piece. I know side piece sounds a little funny, but yeah, the side piece connected to the front piece. So here I'm also doing the second, basically the side piece and the front piece together, because it goes on each side on the center back piece. So here I'm just going to be trimming things down and comparing to each other so it could have a nice even blend to each other, because I'm just winging this off of the material. And also, basically, long story short, about the wrong size, like I said in the last video, it came out to my patterns were actually regular sizing all the way up to a 12, and I'm actually a size 20 in my patterns. So I tried to grade it up. I'm still not a perfection at this, but I'm trying to get there. So now that all the pinning and the trimming is done, we're gonna start sewing these pieces together. So basically, you're gonna need a side seam, and also a top stitch. So basically, what happened was my thread basically bunched up on the bottom of my fabric, and I don't know why this happens, but when it happens, it drives me crazy, and I have to pay tug of war for it to get back to sewing properly again. So if you guys know why this happens, please leave a comment below to explain, because I still don't understand why. Now I am sewing the back center of the corset. I'm just putting those pieces together, and then I'm going to be adding a back stitch. This is how the back of the corset is going to look. Now it's time to add the sides to the back now, so we can have a full corset that goes around our waist. And now that that is done, we're gonna start marking holes for the eyelet pieces to go on. And I bought this kit from Amazon, and it was only, I want to say, $9. And I have Amazon Prime, so it was pretty fast. And to be honest, the tools wasn't really that good. I don't know if it was my material because it had stretch in it, but I basically had to just dumb it down and use a hammer and a seam ripper to open up the hole instead of this hole maker that they gave me. Don't judge me because I still have a tab on my hammer. I don't really use hammers that much, but when we moved into our new apartment, we had to buy one to put up the stuff, and I just never took off the tag. Call me lazy or call it what you want, but it got the job done. So here's my daughter saying hi because she's just so obsessed with me doing videos. Like every time you see me doing a video, she just, "Mommy, are you doing a video?" And it just be so cute. So this did take time just because it was something new, but after you get it, it just becomes fairly like quick. And this is how it looks. So now if you thought that was long, imagine fraying this. So I had to fray it slash distress the garment or the fabric, and it took some time, but I feel it created a look. So this is the finishing look, and basically all you have to do is just press down the corset with an iron and just add the shoestrings or whatever cording that you want to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.